Hello, children! Today we're going to learn the ABC phonics. Let's explore the sounds of each letter and discover some fun words that begins with those sounds. Are you ready, children? Let's begin. Letter A. A sounds like A. A is for ant. A. Apple. A. Anchor. A. Arc. A. Remember, the letter A sounds like A. Letter B. Letter B sounds like B. B. B is for ball. B. Basket. B. Bird. B. Bell. Remember, letter B sounds like B. Letter C. C sounds like K. K. K is for cat. K. Can. K. Cart. K. Cup. Letter C sounds like K. Letter D. D sounds like D. D. D is for doll. D. Dot. D. Dance. D. Dart. D. Letter E. E sounds like E. E. Elf. E. Elephant. E. Egg. E. Earth. E. Letter F. F sounds V. V. V is for fish. V. Fan. V. Face. V. Frog. V. Letter G. G sounds like G is for gold. G. Gum. G. Gun. G. Grass. G. Letter H. H sounds like H. H is for ham. Ham. H. Hat. Hat. Horse. Horse. H. Heart. Letter I. I sounds like E is for infant. E. Igloo. E. Indigo. E. Insect. E. Another sounds of letter I is I. Same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, I. Ice cube. I. Island. I. Ice cream. I. Ice candy. I. Letter J. J like J. J. J is for jam. J. Jump. J, jet, j, jog, j. Letter K. K sound k, k, k is for kit, k, koi, k, kangaroo, k, kiss. Don't forget the sound k. Letter L. L sounds L is for lamp, L, lips, L, lollipop, L, lamb, L. Letter M. M sounds mm, mm, is for monkey, mm, mom, mm, men, mm, man, mm. Letter N. N sounds like mm, mm is for nuts, mm, none, mm, net, mm, nest, mm. Letter O. O sounds aw, aw. Aw is for octopus, aw, owl, aw, oval, aw, orange, aw. Letter P. P sounds p, p is for parrot, p is for pot, p is for pen, p is for pin. Don't forget the sound p. Letter Q. Q sounds like qu. Qu is for queen, qu, quail, qu, quilt, qu, quill, qu. Letter R. R sounds like r. R is for rat, r, rabbit, r, rock, r, robin, r. Letter S. S sounds like s. S is for sandwich. S is for sand. S, sock. S, seal. S, letter T. T sound t. T. T is for tent. T, ten. T, top. T, two. Remember the sound of letter T. T. Letter U. U like O. O. O is for under. O, upward. O, umbrella. O, underneath. O. Another sound of letter U is U. same sound as you pronounce the letter. For example, U, unicorn. U, uniform. U, utensils. U, ukulele. U. Letter V. V sound V. V. V is for van. V. Vase. V. Valley. V. Vulture. V. Letter W. W is W. W. W is for walrus. W. Whale. W. Worm. W. Well. W. Letter X. X like is for X-ray. Exit. Exam. Fuck. Don't forget the sound of letter X. Letter Y. Y sounds like Y. Y is for yat. Y. Yo-yo. Y. Yam. Y. Yak. Letter Y sounds like Y. Letter Z. Z sounds Z. Z. Z is for zoo. Z. Zipper. Z. Zoom. Z. Zinnia. Z. Good job, children. Goodbye. See you soon.